you might miss it. Shine, go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear, 'cause you can't see if you might miss it. Just shine, shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear, 'cause you can't see if you might miss it. Just shine.
Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I just wanted to remind you guys really quick about the Fluid Art Boutique, or FAB as we like to call it. That will be happening this April 1st through the 3rd in Santa Fe, New Mexico. In fact, I was just talking to Mina earlier, Mina from Mina Villegas Art, and she will also be teaching at FAB. And she reminded me that the Georgia O'Keeffe Museum is in Santa Fe. I will definitely be checking that out, and if any of you guys are Georgia O'Keeffe fans, that would be something cool to check out while you're there for classes. The painting you guys are going to see in the video, it is one of my gradient circle Dutch pour paintings, and it is this one right here. I'm loving the colors in this one, kind of the tropical vibe. So this is one of the techniques that I will be teaching at the Fluid Art Boutique, but it's not the only one. I will also be teaching 3 other techniques, and I wanted to give you guys a quick summary of those. So the first technique that I'm going to be talking about that I will be teaching at FAB is the swipe and spin. I'm going to show you guys a couple of examples of that. So this technique actually uses the Shelley formula. So in class, you guys will learn how to mix paint using that formula. You'll also learn how to lay the paint down on the canvas. And what's probably the hardest part to master is the actual swiping itself. So you guys will learn all of my tips and pointers on how to make the perfect swipe. I will actually demonstrate the technique, and then you guys will have a chance to practice while I'll be there the whole time to help you guys and to answer any questions you might have. Another technique I will be teaching is the Dutch pour on color backgrounds. Now this one is going to be kind of like a Dutch pouring 101 class. You guys are going to learn how to mix paint, and I will tell you, for Dutch pours, consistency is key. So mixing paint is very important. So you'll learn how to mix the paint. You'll also learn how to lay the paint on canvas and how to use a hair dryer to blow the paint. And just like with all my other classes, I will demonstrate, and then you guys will have a chance to practice, and I will be there to help you. The last technique that I'm going to talk about today that I will be doing at FAB is the sunflower swipe. I do not have any of those paintings on hand for you guys to see. They have all sold, but I will insert a couple of pictures so you guys can see those. With this technique, you guys will learn how to mix paint. You'll also learn how to lay the paint on the canvas. And for these particular swipes, laying the paint is very important, and it can be tedious. So I will be there to help you guys and to offer any tips and pointers. You'll also learn what is the best swipe tool to use and how to swipe the paint to make a beautiful sunflower swipe. Just a quick recap, the 4 techniques that I will be teaching at Fluid Art Boutique are gradient background Dutch pours, swipe and spin, Dutch pour on color backgrounds, and sunflower swipes. Tickets are going fast, you guys, so if you want to join me, Karen, Mina, Sarah, and Johnny at the Fluid Art Boutique in Santa Fe, visit fluidartboutique.com. It's where you'll find more information and where you can purchase tickets. For the painting that you guys will see in the video today, as usual, my colors and my formula are listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.